Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to enable here the Google backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's use the apps icon. From the apps, let's find and select settings. Here you need to scroll down again and simply find and select the backup and reset. Now let's tap on backup my data and let's enable this feature by using the following switcher. Let's go back, and here let's tap on backup account. As you can see now, you can add the backup account by tapping add account button. The phone is checking info. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, so now you can sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's just input the email. Alright, now tap next. It's time to enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree. Here let's leave the backup enabled, tap next, and that's it. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.